Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome if you're new. If today is your first time visiting, you've picked a great day to enjoy the adventure. We are moving from snowy Pennsylvania to sunny Central Florida to a beautiful 55 plus active community, and we can't wait for the adventure to begin. So let's jump right in as the movers prepare everything for the move out and loading of the truck. And I'll meet you a little bit later. Doing good. Oh, yeah. Getting it stacked and packed, baby. Got my baby wrapped up like a Christmas present, honey. All right, and the stuff out of the garage is going. Still got a little back here in the bag. D's clearing off the snow. And yeah, let me take you in. Most of the stuff is gone from inside of the house. One curtain rod here. Everything that was in this room, this whole area was stacked to the ceiling. This is now clear. And it's just the stuff that I'm keeping here that's still here. All of the boxes are now gone from this area, and the couch is snug as a bug in a rug. Shrink wrapped and blanketed. So let's see how they're doing upstairs. The hall is now completely clear. All the wardrobe boxes and other boxes are now gone. Couple here, not too much. We have the bedding left in this room. And here we have Diego, hard at work, and he's just blanketing and shrink wrapping those pieces. Some more here in the office, and then the major of getting the large furniture pieces. But yeah, so it's looking pretty good. They arrived at 9:30. It is now 11:04, and the truck is nearly packed. So, I'll update you. This backyard is now cleared. That's everything we're taking. And there it goes. We'll see you in Florida. First off, let me just apologize for my absence from the platform. But January has been a complete whirlwind. And thank you so much, my sweet friends and subscribers, for sticking with me and your awesome support, your birthday wishes and well wishes for the move. Thank you all so much. I started packing, decluttering, and organizing right after Thanksgiving. And baby, that was a job. And it had to be completed before we left for the cruise. I couldn't leave any room for error. And it's a good thing that I did. The day we disembarked, the 23rd, I received a call from the movers stating they couldn't come on the 25th and they needed to move up our move date to the 24th, which means we drove back from New York, got up that morning, and the moving van was pulling in. And it was a good thing that I had everything packed up and ready to go, so it went smoothly. Next, we drove through 7 states to bring the car down to Florida, and 5 of which it poured rain. The sun did not come out until we reached Georgia, honey. So it was a horrible drive down, but we made it, and here we are in sunny Central Florida. So I hope you enjoyed the journey with me. Stay tuned. There's so much more to come. See you next time.